Hey you guys, it's Lissette here. Welcome to my channel. It is Libra season, so you guys already know I had to go ahead and do a Libra nail design. I've asked you guys some questions as far as the design and what color choice, and a lot of you, I think like 90% of you said pink, pink, pink. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna do this nail design with some pink colors. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's just get started. So this is the non-C curve coffin nail tips. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and just glue them down like I normally do with my rubber base gel using my little side lamp. I do go ahead and cure that in the full size lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now I didn't prep my nails because I do have a peel off base coat. I'm gonna do a quick little 1, 2, 3 video showing you how I prepare my nails to do these videos for you guys. I got a lot of questions as far as like how are you doing your nails so often? So yeah, that'll be a separate video. If you guys are interested, please make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because I'm going to be continuing posting a lot of videos this month, especially since it's Halloween month. So yeah, subscribe. Now I didn't really bother going in and trying to file these like the side walls and blend it into the tip because like I said, I do have a peel off base coat. I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna cut these a little bit shorter. I didn't want these too long. I still want them long, but not too long. So I just go in with some scissors and I just cut them down really fast. And I do like to go in with my base gel and apply that from the nail plate all the way down to the tip. This is just going to ensure that my hard gel product is going to stick to the physical tip as well, and it just comes off. When I do decide to take these off, it's going to come off in one solid piece since I do have a peel off base coat. Now for the color choices, I wanted these to be really like a pastel marbly look. So I decided to go ahead and I took out some of my hard gel colors. These are on the website at ljmpro.com. So this is Dreamy. I ended up taking out. I took out Shimmer Baby, which is a sparkly pink. I took out Diamond Dust, which is another sparkly glitter, which is more of like on the silver side. And then I took out my Always Required White. I didn't really use too much white for this design, but I did take it out just in case I wanted to add a little bit here and there. And once again, these colors are a hard gel. They are not soft gel, meaning they are file off only. They are longer lasting, more durable, and stronger than regular soft gel products. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in with my crystal clear hard gel. This is a builder gel, and I'm just going to add a little bit to the entire surface of the nails. I want this to actually kind of act like a slip layer so the gel product can move a little bit easier when I do start adding the colors. Like I said, I wanted this to be a marble look, so I am going to start adding a little bit of each color here and there, and you're going to see me kind of just do it in a diagonal, adding different, I guess, lines you would call it. This brush itself, I think this is the number 4 that I decided to use. And I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna pick a little bit up, I'm going to add each color and kind of do a little bit of a swirl. And I wanted these also to kind of look translucent, so you're gonna see that I do try not to cover the entire nail. I want that clear to kind of show through. So yeah, once I do this, I do go ahead, I cure that. I just want to see what the pinky would look like, if I would like the design itself, and I do. So I do that across all of the nails. When it comes to the middle nail, I decided I want that to have an ombre effect, so I try to focus more towards the tip and not really pay attention towards the top part where the cuticle is. But once again, I do each nail like so, and then I do cure that for a full 60 seconds. So for the design itself, I wanted it to be overkill with the Libra name. So I ended up going on Amazon and I purchased some more little nail art pieces. I ended up getting one of these kits where it has the Zodiac names. It also has like the character of it. And I could have sworn I had the physical symbol, but I guess that like I was looking at somebody else and I didn't get that one. I also took out some of this Mia Secret chrome flakes. These are so freaking pretty. They're actually calling them metallic flakes. It almost gives off like that Aurora flake look. It's so pretty. So I do go ahead and I add a thin layer of the crystal clear again, and then I just start placing in some of those Aurora flakes. I do that across all of the nails, and then like I said, you are gonna see me pick up the name as well as the, not the symbol, as well as the character, which is the scale, and I basically just overload the nails with the Libra name. I wanted it screaming in your face, Libra. So once again, once I have everything in place, I do go ahead and I cure that again for a full 60 seconds. And it honestly was longer for me to pick out all the little names versus physically adding it to my nail. Like the freaking little kit was like mixed with all the names, so I had to find a whole bunch of Libras, a whole bunch of little scales, but they just came out so cute. They're just so tiny and it's perfect. But yeah, I ended up putting a lot of Libra all over. It's like I vomited Libra on these nails. After that, I decided I wanted to add a little bit more of some sparkle, so I ended up taking out this fine white iridescent glitter. It's like a pink iridescent glitter from Set's Nail Co. If you guys know me, I love me some Set's Nail Co.'s glitters. You gotta go ahead to her website, check it out, because she has the most beautiful glitters. I do have a discount code as well, so all of that information is going to be linked in the description box. But as you see, I just take this little fluffy brush and I just start tapping some of that glitter in all little random places, and it kind of just like, you know, just finished it off the design a little bit. After that, I went back to that middle nail because like I said, this one was going to be almost like a, not a transition, what do you call these? I'm not gonna say baby boomer, an ombre. So I take that True Nude Hard Gel. Once again, this is a builder gel, and I start applying that, blending it downwards, covering the design slightly, but not all the way down, to give off that transition of it being an ombre. And then I do go ahead and I cure that in place. Of course, you guys know me, I love encapsulating. I just feel like when you encapsulate your nail designs, it just intensifies the look of it. It just gives it, it just finishes it off almost. This is what I'm doing. I'm going in with my crystal clear builder gel, and I'm going to start encapsulating, locking all of these little designs and trinkets and little glitter pieces in. And like I said, it just finishes it off and just locks everything in. It almost magnifies the look of it. It just looks, I don't know, I love encapsulating anything. Yeah, so after that, I do go ahead and I cure that once again for a full 60 seconds. If you guys are interested in the lamp I'm using, it is the Melody Susie. It's actually this one right here, the Melody Susie. I don't know the entire name, but I will have this linked in the I think I have this linked on my Amazon storefront. If I don't, I'll have it linked in the description. But this thing is a bomb. Y'all need one of these full-size lamps if you don't have one.
Too many times stop. I'm again love forever stuck. Ooh, there is someone calling me, call a race in the ring. I'm breaking up.
after encapsulating, we're gonna go ahead and cleanse the nails with my nail cleanser. When you cure your hard gel, you're gonna have a sticky layer, so you do want to remove that sticky layer before you start filing, because then your nail file is gonna have all like that gunkiness and it's just gonna not file properly for you guys. So for the file, I am actually using an 80/80 grit, and I am only focusing on the sidewalls and the free edge, making sure it is straight, like crisp straight. I don't go over the surface because since this is an 80/80, the grit is too strong or rough for the surface, and it's gonna leave you a lot of grooves and scratches. That's something that I don't want. But I did decide to go in with the drill when I went in over the surface, and I'm actually using my 180 sanding band. Now I normally don't do this, but I don't know, I just felt like doing it for this video. I don't know why, and I think they came out really good. I actually really liked filing with this 180 bit. I seen a couple people do it and I kind of wanted to try it too, so yeah. But I did go ahead, I did that. I did go back in with my 180 hand file just to kind of finish file it, make sure everything was straight and perfect, and then I did go in and I buffed over the surface smooth to try to remove any kind of deep scratches that I may had caused from the drill or the nail file. So here is the best part of any kind of nail design, I feel, is the bling application process. So I ended up taking out the Libra Gold name that I have. Once again, I bought that off of Amazon. I did find some new charms, which was the Libra charm, which kind of has like that weird little line and then hump symbol. I don't know. So I did that. I decided to go in with some AB crystals. I took out some gold caviar beads. I have both sizes. I do have these again on the website. So I took out the gold, and then I just start going to town, adding a whole bunch of bling on my nails, just trying to finish off the look. I do go in with my my Bling It No Wipe Rhinestone Gel. It is non-tacky, so you can apply this to the entire surface of your nails. You can even use it as a top coat and not having to worry about having like a sticky layer. So it is bomb. So if you haven't tried it, go check that out as well. Again, LGMPro.com. Lastly, of course, we have to go in with my shiny no wipe top coat, and I'm going to top coat these. I do go around the actual AB crystals, but when it comes for the gold charms, the cuticle bars, the little caviar beads, I do top coat those, because over time those kind of little charms tend to dinge, I guess, almost. They kind of turn on you, so you do want to top coat those. And yeah, so I do go ahead and I do a final cure for 60 seconds. And this is the final look, you guys. I think they came out so freaking cute. It is vomiting Libra all over you. I love it. I don't know. I think they came out so freaking pretty. I really like it. I love when you guys suggest certain colors. It just kind of helps me out think of different designs for you guys. So yeah, next up we are going into Scorpio season. Let me know your thoughts on Scorpio. What colors? I kind of already think I have an idea, but I would love to hear your input as well. But if you enjoy this type of videos, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like it. If you are a Libra, let me know how I did for your sign. And that is it for this video. Love ya.
It keeps me coming back. When you call me, is it gonna call?